What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bobby Thrift back again with another thrift video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. You know what we about to do, retail arbitrage. Go check out some stores. Let me know what you guys see in the video. Give me all the information you can, man. We're helping each other out. If you are new, subscribe with notification bells on. And without further ado, let's get to the video, you dig? I'm now here at another Goodwill. Goodwill in Santa Monica. Kind of low-key here. Not too many things though. I came here one other time, found something that looked pretty good. It was sealed up. Turned out it was broken, so I had to get rid of it. These boots here, I thought these were like Uggs, but they're not. Appliances and stuff, pretty good. Just gonna take out the shoes some more to see if we see anything else that stands out, anything crazy. What are these? This look like diamond turf or something like that, but they're not. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? I'm pretty sure they're like $9. No price on them. Maybe it's somewhere else on the shoe. I didn't want to touch it so much. It looked kind of crazy, filthy. But nothing too crazy off the bat. Like I said, they be hit or miss. You know what I'm saying? Some New Balances. Okay, the condition of these are not too bad. What they want for them though? Oh, $14.99. Yeah, you know, different prices to different areas you go to. $19 for those. What the hell are they thinking? They had some turtle doves here, or some shoes that I thought were turtle doves in the front last time I was here, right? But I wasn't sure, and I didn't even have the bread. And I've seen other shoes they had at the case that were going for like 35, 40 bucks, and I didn't have that much on me. So I didn't even look at the Yeezys. They looked like they could have been fake. Just from what I remember, they were like some turtle doves. They really did look fake, but I would need to have seen them up close and personal. But I know as I come back like a week or two later, they're gone. So maybe somebody else already scooped them. Or maybe they just got them because they thought that they could make them work. Some more bicycles. I had picked up some of these before, but it didn't really work for me. I still have them actually. Yeah, nothing else. Some more Nikes too. I know you can wash and clean shoes, but I don't want to put all that extra effort in it for a little bucks. $20 profit, something like that, $30 profit. I'm not putting in no extra work for that, you feel me? Got some of, what are those? And then some little cleats for the little ones. So as you can see right now, there's not too many shoes here. Nothing really worthwhile, but continue to look around and see what kind of other things they got here, you feel me? Air Force Ones, these are like somebody's customs that they decided to donate here. Some Crocs. You got some Brooks over here. Condition for these is not too bad, but they want $20 for them. What's with that tag right there? They are wilding out, bro. The prices they want for these things. These Crocs for kids, $5.99. That's not bad, but nothing for me to take. You know what I'm saying? Some of those. Not too happy with what I'm seeing, man. Here you go. Some of this right here. These are not too bad. Condition on them are okay. they want $20 for all their shoes, bro. It's not worth it. Who the hell is paying $20 for these shoes, bro? $14.99. Some Vans, $9.99. What is going on? Is it me? Is it me, or do these prices seem a little high? Maybe, like I said, it's the area we're in Santa Monica by the beach, so they maybe figure people ain't tripping off of things like that, but I am. All right, so we're just gonna take a quick glimpse around these appliances. I'm not gonna really touch nothing. This is something I really want to look up. You know what I'm saying? Pretty good stuff here. Any DVD, VCR combos, or old gaming systems, I don't see it. This looks like it'd be something, but I just don't have the patience for some of these things right now. Like that looks like it could be something, you know what I'm saying? You could sell on Amazon or something like that, but I'm just not, I don't have the patience. eBay is good for a lot of this stuff, but I just don't have the patience for the wait. Like these stereo, it's like 4 of them, you know, they come together, but I don't have the time for it. $19.99, is it for all of them or for one? You know? Nothing. design label, a design line. I mean, it's sealed. It doesn't hurt to look that up to see. This too. Is this something I can do use? Maybe it's something worth, but let's go ahead and check it out first. First of all, what's the price on it? What's the price on it? $14.99. These guys be tripping. These guys be tripping. But let me look these things up and see what's going on with them. Watch how this goes for the goodie card. These people, from what I heard, they're savages. They're pretty savage. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Excuse me. Not really anything crazy. That's kind of cool. Okay, now we just scooped up one of these at the other Goodwill I went to. I can't remember exactly which one. Yeah, so I have one up now. It was used, or it was brand new, wrapped and sealed. So we're gonna go ahead and look this one up because that new one was like 49 bucks, and they also let you sell them used. I'm not gated, so we're gonna open this box up and check it out and see if everything's in here. If it is, when I'm doing the video, you'll see the price and how much it goes for, you feel me? As we continue on down just some of the gadgets that's here, that's probably not gonna do nothing for me. Juicer, you just never know. $3.99 on that. It seems like things might be in here. We'll scan that too in a second just to see what's up. Shout out to everybody on the streets. Yeah, I'm on Santa Monica Boulevard right now. Goodwill on Santa Monica Boulevard. What else they got? Anything I can mess with? A lot of cups and mugs. I don't know, that could be something. You gotta check all those type of things, you know what I'm saying? And if they have everything inside of them, you might have a winner, you know what I'm saying? That's 2 glass, I don't know. This one right here though, a pizza cone set? Who the hell would want this? But you know what? It's something for everybody. And they got something here hiding. What's this for $3.99? Or some glasses and cups. I'm good. I'm holding on to this because this is what I'm for sure taking. Okay. Okay, this is brand new, so we're gonna check this out too. We got 2 things now. 2 things that are for sure shots. I mean, I can just tell this one here for sure if everything's in it, and then the other one, it's a strong possibility because it has the wrapping of it, and it's a Simpsons something. So I mean, it should definitely. Okay. One thing that I saw that I want to get that I haven't found for myself, somebody left with it, was a. We're gonna hold on to that too and just scan all these and see what's going on. But what else I saw, I can't remember off the top of my head. Oh, it was a light that I could use for lighting and stuff like that. And I was like, man, let me see, is this, all right, we're gonna have to look this stuff up because if this is new, it has to go with me. If it's new and I can sell it on Amazon. Yeah, let's go ahead and check those things out. We don't want to take too long. I just want a quick glance and see what's going on here. Okay, so this one right here, $2.99. I'll show you guys on the screen what it's going for. Forget off the top of my head, like 15 to 20 bucks, something like that. And I got it for $2.99. And it has a really good acing, as you guys can see. This one right here, sealed. This is factory sealed. This is like a for sure shot. Boom. So this brand new is going for like, I think $15 new. So we're going with that for $2.99. This one's also going for $15, brand new, $5.99. And I don't think that's even what an FBA offers, so I might be able to go a little higher on that. This one right here, same thing, but that $8.99 price point. I feel like I paid less last time, but I feel like I gotta scoop it up because it's a winner. It's only like, it's rated like 146 in PC. So it makes sense for me to go ahead and grab that, you feel me? This one's $14 also, but I don't know. I don't trust that one, so we're gonna leave that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I see a lot of gloves and stuff. I hear baseball gloves are good, especially around this time of year. However, I don't quite have the patience for that. So that's why we're gonna leave it. But I think I found a couple good things. You get in and out like a robbery. And what is this? If you guys ever seen this before, let me know. I'm not gonna get it because it's not new. But you know, you gotta be real. You gotta. What is this? Is this new too? If this is new, wait, I gotta keep the PC thing also because that's PC. If this is new, what is going on here? I think this is new. We gotta look this up too. What is going on here? I found some good shit. Let's go ahead and check this out. This is brand new, factory sealed, bro. Let me check it out. This is brand new, but it's not going on my budget right now. Brand new. I'm gonna go with the other thing, $7.99 on that, and our only value is like $12, so I'm good. Just found this one here for $5.99. It's going for like $18 new, but with all this happening, I don't really know if this is safe to say new, so I'm gonna leave that alone. This one here too, bro. I don't know. I can't tell if it's new or not, or I mean, if everything's in there for the use, you know? So, I'll explain a little later about the modem. Actually, I can explain now. The modem was good. I looked in the bag and everything was there. It's just that, hold on. Here is some of the shoes they have, real quick behind the glass case. They're not bad. Adidas is okay. The Jordan ones that I saw that were here last time are not here. Those Adidas was here before. Like I said, they had some turtle doves here, bruh. I just don't know if they were real, so I didn't bite on them. Pegasus 35's in the building. Pretty good selection, man. You know what I'm saying? Different ones got different things, you know? It just all depends on what you're looking for. But they do definitely price a lot more here, bro, for real. But overall, I am definitely satisfied with what I came back with. When we get back to the crib, we're going to talk about more of the stuff that I got from this Goodwill, as well as the other one. Now I got to rush back over here and get my girl to her appointment, which is like 5 minutes away. But that's Goodwill for you. There was some more things I wanted to grab and take, but you got to be smart about it. The PC thing, like I said, it was really good. However, the fact that it was $7 to make only $14 or $15, which to me is really not worth it. These right here definitely worth it though. I'll let you guys know. Like I said, once we get back to the crib, you dig?